I want to get one of those. Those are super fun at the kart track, you know?
The one in Paris.
Do you go?
So much fun. I've been 2 times.
Nice. Nice. A lot of rubbish in the middle of the roads. We're gonna do a couple of sighting laps here on Mulholland. Some of the, especially going down, is just a lot more tough too, because there's some of those blind corners that I had just like, I don't know if it keeps turning or not.
Yeah, you're fucking ripping it, so I get it.
Oh yeah, dude, I just try to take some time to catch my breath, you know. Last Flores was zesty. A lot of rubbish in the middle of the roads. We're gonna do a couple of sighting laps here on Mulholland. Get some more practice in on something a little bit cleaner. So we're gonna head out, see what we can do. It's Mr. Moto POV. Trying to give you guys something a little bit more entertaining. Sighting lap, not much dirt, so gonna pop a quick Yui, try that again. Always, ooh, watch out for that nail. Jesus. Always gotta leave some in the tank. Good sighting lap. One more lap, head to the rock store, grab something to drink, then maybe head to the Snake. In Malibu, there's always something, always a truck, always gravel.
One eternity later.
at the bottom of the snake. Gonna do some practice laps today. Not a lot of people out, but out here early just to get some practice. The wind is cool. I'm feeling good. It's gonna be a good day today. You see that big, construction thing going down? It was like a huge, I don't know, not dump truck, but a fucking spreader. Mid-turn, I was like, oh shit. It was nuts. Yeah, scared the shit out of me. Dude, it was going like 3 miles per hour. I used to have a hyper motard, so I used to kind of have like the speed sumo, you would call it, you know? Sundays is pretty, do you come on Sundays here? Have you been?
I mean, yes.
Yeah.
It was still like dry. Like nobody was really here.
Really? Yeah, last Sunday there was a decent amount.
All right, ready?
Yeah, buddy.
You go ahead.
Cool. good.
It's chill.
That's chill.
I like vaguely remember it, but I was like, wait, this turn goes into another.
Dude, same. I like know it maybe like 55%. Some of the especially going down is just a lot more tough too, because there's some of those blind corners that I had just like, I don't know if it keeps turning or not, you know.
Yeah, I was like backing off. I was like, wait.
Yeah. Yeah, there's only certain things I really know. But
I normally do a Gilles, like
yeah.
when I know no one's out here.
Yeah.
On a weekday.
Yeah.
It's like 6 corners in, there's like this little patch of dirt. I do a U-turn there.
Ah, okay.
And then it's like literally a little go-kart track.
Ah,
I
okay.
rarely come all the way up and down.
Ah, okay. I didn't know that. I usually stop right here. That's dope.
You go ahead and go up front again.
Okay.
You know it better than me.
Oh yeah, no worries, no worries.
Faster.
Damn.
Hey, you're ripping it.
Huh?
My suspension's all but right there, that little dirt patch right there?
Yeah.
That's your own class.
Right there. Okay, wow. I'm gonna go rest at the rock store probably for 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, you're fucking ripping it, so I get it.
Oh yeah, dude. I just try to take some time to catch my breath, you know, because I know when I get tired, I start I don't know, making the turn a little bit later, you know,
Yeah,
diving in a little bit later, you know, and it's just like lazy.
Yeah.
All right.